Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Fiat 500 sunroof. It's a simple process to enjoy more fresh air. First, find the sunroof control switch, usually located in the overhead console above your rearview mirror. Make sure your car's ignition is on. Before operating the glass, gently slide the interior sunshade fully backward to expose the sunroof panel. Once the sunshade is open, you can choose to vent the sunroof. Simply press the sunroof switch one time. The front glass panel will automatically tilt upwards, creating a small opening. This vented position is perfect for letting in a little fresh air without fully exposing the interior to the elements, offering a pleasant breeze. To fully open your sunroof, press the same control switch a second time. The glass panel will then slide all the way back into the roof, giving you maximum open-air enjoyment. This is an express open feature, meaning it will continue until fully open. Remember, any additional press or pull of the switch will pause its movement. When you're ready to close your sunroof, the process is just as easy. First, pull the sunroof switch down one time. This will bring the glass back to the vented position. Then, pull the switch down a second time to fully close the sunroof panel. Don't forget to manually slide the interior sunshade forward to block out the sun and complete the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.